Well, we haven't mentioned in detail the double downgrade of Virgin to underperform. Target 41, talking about risks remaining even after
trials.
this FAA.
Yeah, endless trials. That's not what we want. We want to go to space. If we can't go to space, how are we going to do last mile?
It's true.
Now, is Bezos, he's going to space. Is he worried about last mile, or is that now chassis?
Well, listen, if Bezos is in space, you got to figure Amazon's going to control last mile. How could they not?
Well, and now you got this morning Elizabeth Warren asking for FTC review of the MGM deal, which we've talked about in the past.
Such a small deal. Well,
that deal should not move the needle at all in terms of antitrust. There's not a chance. I'm sorry, just not a chance.
So why don't you
sends a signal?
Why don't you tell Senator Warren
to Amazon that this is it? Maybe you get this one through.
No, I thought that.
You want to go and buy Viacom one day? Forget it.
You know, I actually thought about that when I heard Senator Warren. I said, this is really about is future deals. David, all of your buddies who are bankers,
yes,
right now they are saying, I don't understand Faber saying this is just a pimple. This is the beginning of Faber having nothing to talk about.
That, by the way, may have begun. There's a lot of deals in the smaller range, but the big deal is this is all that this is about. If you're the FTC, you don't want to go to court if you can avoid it. What you want to do is prevent them from even thinking about doing the deal because of the threat of how long it's going to take.
Well, the legal
morass you might actually.
Lena's always called a firebrand.
Right.
And when you have
Lenacon,
and when I think of that, I think about raise more, raise less corn, more hell. I mean, you think about the great populists of all time.
You don't think of Chaka Khan at all? Just Lena Khan? Chaka Khan. Guys, speaking of space, Tesla shares are up a bit. They laid out some of the hopes for Starlink. I mean, man, that thing's going to consume a lot of capital. But it's interesting. The Starlink satellites delivering broadband around the planet, particularly to rural areas, may even cover the poles. This is not going to be a replacement for broadband to urban areas or even suburban because of line of sight issues to some extent.
Yeah, but 40% is rural. We know that.
Right. But in terms of competing with other satellite providers in rural areas and or where there is no provider at all, I mean, they're talking, having 500,000 users in the next 12 months. Of course, he joked, that is Mr. Musk, our goal is not to go bankrupt. And if we succeed not going bankrupt, then that'll be great, and we can move on from there. But it's going to be interesting.
That's a
Starlink
high bar.
It is.
Wow, not going bankrupt, high bar. Half these companies that we see ringing a bell, they share that same goal.
SpaceX could be worth $100 billion at some point in the next round.
Well, then the last mile is much more important.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.